Yo, Big Yuri in the chat, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ben, and we're back with another video. We do another vlog with my boy Hulk, Anthony Halkias. Another vlog going down. We're gonna go smash some back and triceps right now and get lit. Trying to go hit up some Planet Softness back and tries and Mog Planet Softness, but it appears that Hulk is taking forever. Yo, if you're watching right now, comment Hulk is a beta, okay? Because he's late. Look at Sunny Boy!
Bruh, you were filming me yesterday? I was like, this motherfucker still doesn't know my name. You call me Hulk.
Hulk and Hulk, same shit.
Hello mix code Benny Boy. How's it off?
Code vacuum, code vacuum.
Oh, is it vacuum?
No, the vibes. We're going to the gym. Fuck up. Peace. Look at this fucking dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Cop the fucking merch.
Yo, Big Yuri in the chat, you know what I'm saying?
Logged. Yo guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm editing this video right now because I never filmed an outro and I just realized. This is definitely a shorter video because I didn't get a lot of footage, but that is okay because we have more vlogs coming soon. I think hanging out with Hulk and watching some of his vlogs really inspired me to do like more vlogs in like shorter content and more like condensed, entertaining, but also informative content. I think my style that I will do for the vlogs will be just a regular day, so I'll vlog throughout my day, but like I'll put bits and pieces in there where I'm giving you guys like good information. If you guys have any questions, I can do some Q&As and stuff like that. And then also just like entertain you guys, you know. You don't want to sit here and watch some boring ass video, you know. So Hulk probably will be back here in Myrtle Beach soon, so we will collab again. I will try to collab with more people. I will try to get some of my friends in the vlog, so it should be lit. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the vid and I hope you're ready for more vlogs because that is probably what we are doing. And I appreciate all the support recently. I'm going to be trying to go a lot harder on YouTube, I think, because I'm shadow banned on Instagram, and my Instagram isn't really taking off. See you guys in the next one. All my links are in the description below. You guys already know. Go check them out. Greek God merch is out now. Go cop some. It's like 15 bucks for a shirt if you want to support your boy. And, yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.